Here is world long drive champion Kyle Berkshire. We were able to measure his swing on the Swing Catalyst 3D motion plate at the recent PGA show in Orlando, Florida. You can see that in this frame, Kyle is near the top of his backswing and he has a positive horizontal force. A positive horizontal force means that the golfer is pushing down and away from the target and the ground is pushing him up and towards the target. So you see how this yellow ground reaction force vector is tilted towards the target. That means Kyle is creating some momentum moving his pelvis towards the target. A lot of amateur golfers can produce near top of tour level horizontal force, but they really struggle with the second phase, which is the breaking of that force. So you can see as Kyle transitions into his downswing, that force turns negative. And here he has 38% of his body weight or 78 pounds of braking force. So this means that Kyle is pushing down and towards the target and the ground is pushing back on him up and away from the target. So that's braking or decelerating his forward momentum of his body, which will transfer that energy into the club and produce these tremendous club head speeds that he's able to produce. A good drill that you can do to work on this yourself is one that's part of the Speed Stick Level 1 protocol. Here we have Devin Bonebrake, who's the director of instruction at Rolling Hills Country Club in Los Angeles. And you'll see he's going to do a drill where he takes the speed stick away, and during his backswing, he's going to step towards the target. And as he steps towards the target and plants that front leg, it really teaches him how to create that braking force. So you'll see here, as soon as that foot hits the ground, that graph transfers negative, and he can produce 27% of his body weight or 47 pounds of braking force. That's quite a bit for an amateur golfer. So you can see this force would be acting up and backwards and decelerating his forward momentum. Devin can produce some tremendous club head speeds, nowhere near Kyle Berkshire, but that's something that is easily worked on at home to help develop those braking forces and get yourself some more club head speed.